Hello there. In this video, we will learn about the branding opportunities in Airmeet event. In Airmeet, you can add the branding elements such as event logo, event landing page, the welcome video, default reception or custom reception, stage backdrop, the booths, sponsors at the reception page, and the lounge. Let's get started. Go to your event dashboard and from there click on branding. And under the event branding, you can upload your event logo. All the specifications are given here. You can also upload your landing page banner. All the specifications are given here as well. You can simply click on it and upload the image. Once then you can see a landing page image out here. You can also remove the image or re-upload the another image. You can also add a welcome video on your reception page. You can also watch the sample of reception video by clicking on here. To add the welcome video, simply click on add to event and you will have the option to either upload the video from your system or from your video library. Video library is basically the collection of videos that you have used in your previous events or sessions. If you want to enable the skip option in your welcome video, you can toggle this button on. Once your video is uploaded, you can also click on preview upload to view the video and click on done. Now coming on to the reception, you can have two types of reception in Airmeet, that is the default reception, which is static, or the customizable reception in which you can customize your elements. The default reception is selected by default. All you have to do is click on here and upload the reception banner. All the specifications are given here. Simply click on here to upload the banner. Once uploaded, you will see a banner out here. You can re-upload the banner or remove the image. Now, in order to select the custom reception, simply click on here and select it. And from here, you can add all these components to your background. To add this component, simply select it, click on it, and drag and drop it out here. Now you can upload the customized background image out here. The specifications are given here. Simply click on here to upload your image. Once done uploading your banner image, you can also add other components such as video links or iframe embedding. Once done, you can click on save and your banner is saved successfully. You can click on preview reception to see your banner. Now let us understand how to put up the stage backdrop. Simply click on stage backdrop and from here you can simply click on this upload backdrop image button to upload your backdrop. The stage backdrop specifications are given here with the preview. You can also download the guidelines by clicking on here or simply watch the video. Now let us upload the backdrop image by clicking on here. I have added my backdrop. Now I will have to click on preview backdrop to see how it looks like on your stage. And once you're happy with it, you can click on save backdrop to save your backdrop. You can add more backdrop by clicking on upload backdrop. Now let us understand how to add sponsors. Simply click on sponsors. And under the sponsor section, you can manage the sponsor tiers. Gold, silver, and bronze is given by default, but you can manage them by clicking on manage tier and re-edit it. You can also realign them. You can also rewrite the name. If you want to add more tiers, you can click on add tiers and add more tiers. Or if you want to delete any tier, then you can simply click on delete tier to delete the tier. Once done, you can go ahead and save the tiers. And now you can add the sponsors by clicking on this add sponsor button. Here, upload the sponsor logo. The specifications are given here. You can also give your sponsor a name. If the sponsor has a website URL, you can also put it out here. And finally, select the sponsor tier you want to add this sponsor to. Simply click on it and select the tier. Click on done and our sponsor is added to the premium tier. Once done, click on add sponsor. And as you see, now a sponsor is added out here under the premium tier or tier. You can add more sponsors by clicking on add sponsors. Now let us understand the booths. Simply click on booths to go to booths and from there click on add booth. And firstly, you can add the booth logo. The specifications are given here. Once the logo is added, you can also add the booth name. You can also add the booth tags to filter out the booths inside the booth section. You can add up to 24 tags. You can also add booth exhibitors out here. You can add up to 6 booth exhibitors. All you have to do is add exhibitors email. You can add more exhibitors by clicking on add exhibitor. There are few features in booths, that is chat, tables, and live broadcast. You can choose to keep them enabled or disable them by toggling these buttons. If you have enabled the tables, you can also increase or decrease the number of tables that you can have in your booth. Once done, you can click on create and your booth is successfully created. Now, in order to edit the details of the booths, you have to click on enter event and you will be led to the reception page. From here, click on booths click on the booth that you want to edit, and then click on Edit Booth Info and enter all the booth information. Even inside the booth, you can add three types of booth banners, that is default, which is static, custom booth, which can be customized by you, and the posters. Posters are basically the PDFs. And once done, you can go ahead and save it. Now let us understand how to set up our lounge. Simply click on Enter Event and then click on Lounge to go to the lounge. You can click on this two-line icon to re-edit the title and subtitle of the lounge, which is shown out here. You can also select the number of tables that you want to have inside a booth. Once done, you can go ahead and save it. You can also edit the table details by clicking on this three-dot icon. Click on Edit. And from here, you can re-edit the table name. You can also add promotional table image by clicking on this pencil icon. You can also set up the number of seats for your table. And once done, you can go ahead and save it. If you want to delete any table, then you can simply click on this three-dot icon again and click on this delete button to delete that table. You can also customize your event by clicking on the settings and clicking on customize event. From here, you can also select the theme of your event. You can also choose your color by clicking on here and selecting the indicators out here, or put up your hex code. Once done, click on the tick mark and you're good to go. You can also select the ambience, that is dark ambience, which is selected by default, or the light ambience. Once done, you can go ahead and save it. Well, that's all about the branding in Airmeet. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.